Hey, what's going on guys? I hope you had an amazing day so far. So today is the 23rd of December. That means one day before Christmas, and we received some snow here in Austria, which is quite amazing. And so I thought, why not to do some pre-Christmas chilled FPV session with some new camera that I just received from GoPro. It's their GoPro Hero camera, a really small camera. And I guess it might be a good solution for doing freestyle and just flying outside. So yeah, that's exactly what we're gonna test out today. Just a chilled freestyle session. I hope you have fun. So let's get the drone ready, because I've got all the things right here. This, by the way, is Tiga, a really old cat already. But yeah, what do you say, Tiga? It's cold today, right? Okay, so we're gonna be using these batteries, the Raceline 1400 batteries from Tattoo. So I have to put away the camera later to mount it on the drone. And also I'm gonna be flying my Tango 2 and the FPV goggles too. And that's basically it. So we're gonna be flying in my backyard. So let's do that. So this is the drone, just mounting the battery on it. So this is actually the drone that we built 2 weeks ago. So I'm not sure if you have seen the video about it, but if not, I will definitely link it anywhere there. So it looks like a quite solid drone. I might use this one as a thumbnail. So I just need to power on the FPV goggles and the Tango 2, and then we're ready. We're gonna be powering on the drone as well, because the other parts are already powered on. So running the FPV goggles 2 on my head, and I'm gonna be recording the DVR as well, so you guys see the difference, basically what I see and also what the GoPro sees. I have to put that in my pocket, so I can close it right here. And Tango is already turned on. So let's get started. Everything's powered on, recording. Nice, man. Oh, the camera feels so lightweight. You don't even feel that you have a GoPro on the drone. I'm already looking forward how the footage looks like from this tiny GoPro. Doesn't look too bad with all the snow. Nice. I'm gonna show you some gap, because there's a gap in between the trees, and during winter it looks insanely good. So nice. Wow, crazy. Nice. I haven't done freestyle for a couple of time. Had a lot of shootings lately, so I just do freestyle whenever I have time. So now it's Christmas, and yeah. Wow. Let's get some trees. Dive some trees as well. And maybe do this gap again. I love this gap so much. Feels so nice. Power loop. Whoops, close call. I don't want to crash this drone because it's not waterproof. I was too lazy to do it. So, better not crash this one in the snow. But I need to get back then because the battery is already quite down. So let's do one more dive here. It looks so epic with all the mountains here. As you can see, guys, crazy. And it even started to snow a little bit. There we go. Nice. So 5 minutes flight, and I'm curious how good the battery from this GoPro actually is. So let's check. It's now I guess at maybe 90%. Let's check. Let's turn it on again. So the camera was at 100% when I started flying, and now it's at 84%, which is not too bad. I mean, for such a small camera, if you imagine how small the battery inside there is, and it's like winter, so it's super cold, and also right now it started to snow quite a lot. So I'm gonna be flying another pack, and let's see how the footage actually turns out, because I haven't seen it. I haven't done any test of this camera yet, so we're looking forward how it actually looks like. But usually I use like 50 frames when I do freestyle, and now it's like only able to do 25 frames in 4K. But let's check it out later, and yeah, let's do another flight. So I already need to change the battery because it's empty. But after that, let's rip another pack, and yeah, it's getting cold. I usually put these batteries in my pockets so they are still warm after maybe 20 minutes of being out. So let's take it over there and secure it like that. This drone, so if you have like no drone and you want to start, this drone is actually such a nice budget FPV drone. Turn it on again. Look at this. I'm not sure if you can see it on the GoPro, but it started to snow pretty heavily. Crazy. But anyways, let's do another one. So Tango is already on. Ying ying. I'm gonna be placing the GoPro right here now. Camera is rolling. Alright, let's start for another pack. The other side now. Let's get out here and let's get back. Nice. Oh, the drone flies so smooth and actually so locked in. You can do so great stuff with it. Power loop, back in. Also a power loop here. Crazy. So nice. Oh, sick. I love it. You see, it's like it started to snow so heavily, which is kind of crazy because the drone is not waterproof, but anyways, I guess yeah, should work. So let's go down here. We could try to even get through there. I've never tested it. Okay, you can. Is this possible to go underneath there? Yeah. Oh, light touch here. So let's check out the trees again. There are even some other gaps that I haven't tried yet. Oh damn, now I crashed. Okay, I need to bring it. And I guess I have to end the session now. Because by now it might be a little bit wet. So let's see, but like if you take this gap from so high, it totally works, but you have to get full throttle out again. So let's see where it is. But should be anywhere there. Ah, here it is. Looking good. Not too bad. Still records. Nice. Just a little dirty, but I can clean it. So let's put away these things a little bit. And we're gonna unplug the battery now. Let's do this quickly.
Receiver still connected.
And also turn off the FPV goggles.
Telemetry lost.
Should still fly. The drone is like totally fine. And I mean, like when it comes to flying these freestyle things, I don't have any kind of sponsor of these parts, but if I would have a sponsor, I guess I wouldn't even care about flying like super hard, ripping everything. But if you have to buy these parts yourself, sometimes you think about, oh, okay, you spend 2 hours building this, and sometimes you don't want to get too risky with this. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this Christmas session. If you do one as well, tag me on Instagram so I can repost it, any kind of Christmas FPV session. And yeah, I'm gonna be going inside now because I have to pack some presents, some Christmas presents for the family. But it's so amazing, like snow to Christmas is epic. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day, have nice Christmas time, and see you in the next one. Let's do some more sessions. It's fun.